Okay, so the most important element, I would say, like if we broke down a song into its elements, okay, we have, of course, we have the chord progression, right? The bed of our song, the foundation of it. We have lyrics, of course, the words and the meaning we put into the song, and we have the melodic line. For me, those are the three parts of a song. Of course, we're not talking about production. In my opinion, production is another level and it's a different category, in my opinion, production. So, the song itself has only three elements. So we got the chord progression, we have the melodic line, and we have lyrics. Not all songs, I might remind you, have lyrics, okay? So there are instrumental songs, there are songs that do not use words to communicate the melodic line or to communicate the song. So that's not always a requirement. But of course, in the pop world, obviously, lyrics are a big part of a song. So let's just go with that. We have those three elements. So of those three parts, I would say hands down, the most important is the melodic line. That is the one that's going to have the most impact. That's going to be the most memorable part of your song, is going to be the melodic line. That is what people are going to be humming in the shower. If you don't have lyrics, that's the thing. That's the hook for an instrumental. It's the melodic line. And even if you have lyrics, again, that's the hook. Even without the lyrics, some people don't understand your lyrics. I gave an example of that recently in the Song of the Week. I think it was last week or the week before, Despacito. Okay, it's Spanish. I don't understand what they're talking about, but I can rock that song. It sounds amazing. I love it. It moves me. It touches me. And it's touched a lot of people that don't understand Spanish. And they don't understand what this guy's talking about. Doesn't matter. Okay, so for me, hands down, the melodic line is the most important thing. And the best example of that, in my opinion, is Hey Jude. Okay, with the na-na-nas at the end, right? It goes like this. Na and it just repeats it for a while. I think it goes for a couple of minutes, 3 minutes at the end. Why? Because it's a hook. It's a big hook for that song. And it's got no lyrics, except of course for Hey Jude, but that doesn't really count. That's just the title of the song. It's all na-na-nas. Okay? So for me, that's the most important part of any song, is the melodic line.